Hello everyone, today I got asked if I put my Call of Duty character in this thumbnail. So I use this app called Paint 3D, and then I click media and open to find the file that I want to use, which I'm just going to use my Call of Duty character. And then you want to click magic select. You want to move the outer edge as close as possible to the thing that you want to keep. Then when you get it to where you like it, you click next, and then it should highlight whatever you want to keep. But in case it doesn't, you click the add button and then you draw a line and we'll put that part of the picture in. If you click remove, you can just remove a certain part. Like I removed the part in between our legs, make it look better. And then you click done, and then you want to move whatever you want to keep off the screen. And then you want to highlight the whole thing. And then right click and press delete. And you want to put whatever you want to keep on the white box. And then you can click media. Click save and it will be ready to be used for another background. And for the file format, you're going to want to click image. Make sure to save it as a PNG. So I was going to show how to make my thumbnail step by step. And then I realized everyone might have different editing softwares than I do. So I don't know how well they'll actually help. But you can go to this website called Pexels. You can actually get copyright-free images, and they can be used as backgrounds. And you can look up PNGs, like I looked up one for s'mores, and save them and actually put those on backgrounds. Now let's say you made the thumbnail and it's too big. Well, I have a solution to get around that. You open up this app called Paint, and then you find your thumbnail, and then you just save it as a JPEG. And when you're saving your pic as a JPEG, this will pop up. Just click yes, because it doesn't actually do anything, and your pic will guarantee fit for YouTube.